Here is our new tool, AI Label Assistant. It automates email labeling and tagging in your Gmail account, keeping your inbox organized and focused on the most important emails. To get started, create a few labels. Simply click on the plus icon next to labels and set up a couple to organize your mailbox. Next, open the sidebar where AI Label Assistant is installed. Click on the icon to access the Label Assistant page. You'll see that it has already detected the labels you created. To activate automated labeling, just click the activation button. That's it! AI Label Assistant will now run every hour, automatically labeling all incoming emails. AI Label Assistant also offers other powerful features, like automated archiving. This lets you automatically archive emails based on their labels. To set it up, go to the tool, select the label you want to customize, turn on the archive switch, and click Save. For example, you can automatically archive all emails labeled as ads. Another useful feature is precise labeling. If you want more detailed labeling, you can refine it further. In the tool, select the label, add a specific description, and click Save. This will ensure more accurate labeling and better quality from any other implemented filters. AI Label Assistant is designed to save you time and effort every day. Try it now for free.